Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Choyce Tibbitts. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your first time here, welcome to the first place. And if it's not, what's up? So I got a little bit of an unboxing today, and it is a pair of sneakers from Dover Street Market, New York, and it's a pair of Air Force Ones. So if you want to see what's in this box and kind of a little bit of a review, try on, and you like these type of styling videos, keep on watching, subscribe to my channel, and give me a big thumbs up, and let's just get this thing started. So before we get into this unboxing, I quickly just wanted to give this sweater a bit of a moment. Like, can we talk about how amazing this knit is? It's a black tangerine, and I think this is a hibiscus flower sweater from CASABLANCA, from the new spring summer collection, I believe, and I love it. It's my first time being able to wear it, so just wanted to give it a little shout out. I'll link it below if it's still available. Anyway, here is the box. It's a pair of Air Force Ones, like I mentioned. I love the Air Force One sneaker style, and these were a pair that I actually had been looking at. I'm not sure how I found them. I think I saw them in a vlog or something from another content creator I was watching on YouTube, and I love the colorway, and then I had them on my StockX. And then I was at Dover Street Market, and if anyone's in New York and comes to New York, definitely recommend going to Dover Street Market. It's an amazing store. But within the store, they have a Nike Lab, and I guess these were a Nike Lab exclusive. So I saw them there, and I was like, oh, you have them here? Tried them on, and just got them right then and there. Kind of an impulse purchase, kind of not, because I already had them in my wish list, so I can kind of justify it like that. Anyway, let me just show you what they are. Ooh, and this color is amazing. So it's the Nike Air Force One in the ACORN colorway. So this is a beautiful colorway for the spring summer. It's kind of a linen at the top, and then it has a light brown leather trim all around. The bottom is this beautiful chocolate brown color, and it's just an amazing shoe. Just the colorways are awesome, and it kind of fits into my style of beige and neutral tones. I got it in a size 9, which is actually one size or half a size down from my white Air Force Ones, and actually they're a little bit snugger, and I think I like them like that because the current Air Force Ones I have in I think a 9.5 or a 10 are a bit roomy, and I actually kind of wanted them to be a bit more snug. I think I'm actually discovering I'm a size 9 overall, not a 10 like I thought I was. Maybe my feet shrunk, but who knows. A little bit about the shoe is originally this colorway came out in 2002, and they just brought it back. I think these launched at the end of April or early May. They're still available on places of course, StockX, Stadium Goods. Oh, Goat has them. So you can still find these, and actually the price is $130, and they don't go for much more on those third-party sites. So I was seeing them between actually $125 before all the fees, up to $150. So not too much of a premium on these guys. But I'll include some clips of me trying them on. But I just think it's a beautiful shoe, and I quickly wanted to just give an unboxing because I know you guys like these type of videos. So keeping this one really short and sweet today, I just wanted to show you this recent pickup before I start putting them on the gram and all of that jazz. But if you like these type of unboxing videos, I also do videos around luxury fashion, styling, menswear. If that is your vibe, definitely hit that subscribe button, and I'd love to see you on future videos. But I'll see you guys in the next one.